Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with one fish recipe from Hangla Hneshel. So I'm going to cook with Hilsa fish and with that mango papad, which we call amsatto. So Hilsa's flavor and mango papad sweet and tangy taste. All these blends and gives a nice aroma and taste. So without talking, let me go and start preparing this Hilsa with mango papad. In this recipe, main ingredients are Ilish fish and amsatto, which is mango papad. This recipe I'll cook with mustard oil. To prepare this recipe, you need good amount of mustard oil and onion, chopped onion. When oil is hot enough, add the chopped onion here. Here I took 4 tablespoons of mustard oil and 1 big size chopped onion. I'll fry in medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes till it changes the color. Now I'll add half cup of water. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder, and fry everything nicely. Fry it for 4 to 5 minutes in medium heat. Now I'll add salt as per your taste. Once all the masalas are half fried, now I'll add Hilsa fish. I will cook it medium heat for 5 minutes. In this recipe, as I will add papad, let me show what to do. This is amsatto or papad sheet. Here I am going to use 2 sheets here. Small pieces and soaked in lukewarm water for 15 to 20 minutes. This mango papad and this water I am going to use in this dish. Now after 5 minutes, I'll turn the fish and cook other side as well for 5 minutes in medium heat. After 5 minutes, I'll add mango papad and water. I'll cover and cook for 7 minutes in medium heat. After 7 minutes, take the lid off and turn the fish and cook for the other side for again 5 to 7 minutes till the fish cooks properly. These mango papads are soft and cooked now. This makes the gravy thicker and adds tangy and sweet taste and mango flavor in this recipe. Add some green chili and cover and cook. My amsatto ilisher tel piyaji is totally ready. The smell of Hilsa and the taste of mango papad, both combination gives a different taste in this recipe. Mustard oil, it enhances the flavor. So my Ilish Macher Tel Piyaji means Hilsa fish with mango papad is totally ready. Just have it with plain white rice. You'll love this recipe with the flavor and the taste. So if you don't try, you'll not understand. So if you're a fish lover, definitely please try this recipe. So thanks for watching. That's all from me today. I'll come up with more recipes from Hangla Hneshel. So keep watching my channel, and if you have not done, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon. So see you later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.